The secret behind Hollywood blockbuster effects. Turns out you only need this tool. Ever wondered how blockbuster movies get their jaw-dropping effects? The secret is Visual FX Pro. Visual FX Pro is a game-changer for VFX artists, offering high-quality stock footage to elevate any project. Launched in 2020, Visual FX Pro provides professional-grade effects like explosions, fire, and weather elements. Their library includes everything from gun effects to blood splatter, perfect for action, horror, or sci-fi projects. All assets are compatible with industry-standard software like Adobe After Effects, Nuke, and Blender. They offer free samples and subscription plans, making it accessible for both pros and beginners. Tutorials help users master effects, from realistic fire to compositing tips in Element 3D. Affordable pricing and regular updates make Visual FX Pro a must-have for creators. Imagine adding Hollywood-level effects to your videos without breaking the bank. Ready to upgrade your VFX game? Check out Visual FX Pro and see the difference.